Tips clip. Please pick up this audio. Don't know if you can hear that. It's been going on for about 5 minutes. It's louder than fireworks. Oh, it's stopped. No, it's not stopped. That's like an explosion somewhere or something. It sounds like it. There is not a firework in the sky. I know in the recording you won't get the, you've not got the ability to. That's like fireworks going off. That's the noise you hear when a bang of a demolition building goes off. I kid you's not. And it's echoing around the whole. Is that it finished now? Fuck me. My God, that was going on for like. It was a fair while. God knows what that was. Maybe it was just a big firework I couldn't see. Fuck it. Unbelievable, it started again. A few seconds ago. It's definitely louder than any firework I've ever heard. Going off continuously. At the back of 5 on a Saturday night. What's weirdoing me out is there isn't a sign of a flash. Now obviously I've got these big luxury flats in front of me. I wonder how much of this my camera will actually pick up. Sound wise. Fucking hell. Not heard any sirens. It's like a fireworks factory being on fire. But look, wow. What the fuck is that? That's quite fucking freaky, man. Never heard any unidentified travelling noise. It's a UTN. That's crazy, by the way. It's not some supernatural occurrence. It's no aliens coming down or something. It's something going bop. Right? It's like big fireworks going off continuously. It's not a firework. It's a lot. Each individual bang is louder than a firework. Easy. Right. Let's see if it starts again. Need to fucking come in. No, it's fucking Baltic out there. Right, just out the curiosity of. I turned that last one off, and then before I knew it, it started up again. Strange. I'm racking my brains here to try and. Once you hear what happens, you'll be like, why didn't I fucking know? But that is. It's not coming from the sky, by the way. So, to me, it's coming from the ground. I've never been in a war zone. So that what gunfire sounds like for fucking distance, but you went. You know what I mean? I've never been close up enough to hear rounds going off. Wonder if that. Nah. Could it be gunshots, man? Nah, it was too continuous and all that. Oh, fuck. Gonna stop. See, the first time I was like that, I was pure hesitating to get my camera out because I'm like, the second I get my camera out, it's going to finish. But that was some weird ass shit. Get it, cheese.
It's a F.E.A.R, F.E.A.R, it's a F.E.A.R, F.E.A.R, it's F.E.A.R, F.E.A.R, come on. It keeps the cheese and the maze and the rats and the race and those peasants in the days like a head up on the ace. It's a F.E.A.R, come on. Keeps clear.